You know, some cocktails make you wonder, is Lady Luck on your side? Welcome back. Today, we're creating the casino. The casino it's an interesting cocktail. Let's just go ahead and start making this. Then after we make it and have it, then we can talk about the cocktail itself. This is a shaken cocktail. Grab, of course, a shaker, because that's how that works, right? Take a lemon, slice right through. Now I need a ½ ounce of lemon juice. Next I need Maraschino Liqueur. I remember this from a couple of other cocktails. I need 3/4 of an ounce. I need 1.5 ounces of Old Tom gin. A dash of orange bitters. I'm using Reagan's. Pick whatever, doesn't matter. That'll work. Grab your ice. Ice in. Have everything in. Pop. Go. And I'm serving this in Nora. Another way you can serve this is actually over ice, like a Collins spear in a Collins glass. I'm going with a Nora on this. Completely up to you though. I'm gonna throw it in, herd ice into the shaker, double strain for clarity. And now for garnish, a Luxardo Maraschino Cherry. And this is Casino. Cheers. That's interesting. Now I understand why it says it now. The orange bitters, the Old Tom gin. The Old Tom gin is slightly sweeter than other gins, and it adds a little bit more sweetness than what you expect. The lemon juice, it's right there. The maraschino marries well with it, combined with the cherry. I mean, the cherry, obviously, when you enjoy it with the cocktail, will likely make a very nice combination. A little bit of history about this. This actually came from Hugo Ensslin from his 1916 book, which is also the same book that housed the Aviation. Another bartender actually took this recipe and said prepare it much like the Aviation. The difference is there's no creme de violette in this. The only thing that there is they removed the creme de violette, added a little bit more lemon juice, Bubba's your uncle, and also added some orange bitters, unlike in the Aviation where you didn't have orange bitters. It was very much a last word variant, with the exception of the creme de violette. This omits it, but it does evoke a lot of memories of the creme de violette and of the Aviation. So, you know what? But it's a nice cocktail, I have to say. You know, it's pretty cool. I guess the reason that it would be a casino is maybe some people just think that Lady Luck's not on their side when they have one. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. When you see the barware that you see on the show, check the links down below. Amazon affiliate links, you know the deal. Click the link, make the purchase, I get kickback, blah blah, thank you. Socials down below in the description. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.